Facebook ads, and we've got the details. We'll start with Fanindra. It's done. Fanindra, are you there? So this is that. Okay, Fanindra, it's fine. And I think Usha also done it. I think Usha, this is yours, right? Manu.
Sir.
So this is done by you, right? Okay, good. Whenever you're creating an image in Canva, select the Instagram post. The Instagram post specs will be available everywhere so that you won't get any problem. Yeah. Harsha, he showed me yesterday only. So it seems like you started another one, Harsha.
Yeah, sir.
Good. Pawan.
Sir, don't get scared looking at mine. I just added text and an image. I didn't use any template or something.
Why then? You could have created one Canva.
I tried to be simple and aesthetic, but it went wrong.
Okay.
But yeah, I learned a little lesson.
Okay, but creative, you have to focus.
Yes.
So you also targeted, okay, we'll talk more about the targetings today. Okay, good. Here targeting means I want to know which age group people you targeted, gender, location, that. Now I was not talking about the interest at the time, but still it's okay. These both are same, right, Pawan? Sushmita, you know what? Yeah, you gave the ads manager one link directly, so it's going to my ads manager. So what you have to do is once you click on the ad, once you go to the ad level, there you will be getting a preview. That link you have to share with me. So or else just check on the campaign which you want, just click on preview. This is also fine for me. Just click on add preview and give me. Okay. Right. Well, if you done well. Now, today we'll see a few more advanced options in Facebook ads. I was just showing you. So I'll be showing you more of the interest options today. I told you to go facebook.com/ads manager. I think none of you face problems going over here, right? Directly all of you be to the ads manager. Okay. I'll be creating one more campaign today, and we have Saturday and Sunday. I'll be giving good tasks. Okay, Mo. Right. Before that, let us recap what we learned yesterday. Facebook ads. If you want to do it, you have to go to facebook.com/ads manager. Okay. So before that, you should learn the account structure. Account structure is account, campaign, ad set, and ads. Account is your Facebook account. One Facebook account. It's always good advice to work with one client. Multiple clients, you should go to the business manager. We'll be learning in the future what is business manager and what are the different options. Now, assume that you're working with only one client, that is you, for your business. Campaign. At the campaign level, you have to select your objective. What is your objective? Whether it is a brand awareness or consideration or conversion. At ad set level, so many things will be there. First of all, you have to select audience whom you're targeting. Select placement, you have to select. Third, budget you have to select. Finally, ad. Whether you want to go for image ad or carousel ad or a video ad, you have to select. So once you've done, if you mention the total budget, ad will be live and you will be seeing the analytics. Yesterday we learned the brand awareness campaign, but in the ad set level, we didn't go to the interest part. So today we'll be going somewhat deeper options in that. Okay. Now this campaign is done and sometimes it will go for review and they have their advertising policies. If everything is fine, your ad will be live. Otherwise, it will be
Sir, I'm sorry to disturb you.
Yeah.
Sir, what if it shows in review?
Yeah, that's what. Initially, everything will be in review only. They'll check manually whether there is a team in group, Facebook. They'll be check whether you're following all the guidelines or not. If so, then your ad will be live. Otherwise, it will be disapproved. The disapprove reasons will be informed over here. Then you have to correct and re-appeal
One
it.
more doubt, like while we have done everything right, and it started getting advertising in the Facebook and on Instagram. So, is the money got cut? I mean, did it got deducted, or will it get deducted after a month?
No. But we haven't given any card. Have we given any card details?
No.
Yeah. But if it is so, immediately it will start. Yesterday we started, right? Today we could have get some information already, but we didn't give any billing details. That's why it's nothing. Total spend you will see here actually.
Okay.
So it's not like a postpaid. It's you pay money now, then automatically it will take it from you.
Okay.
Yeah. Today I'm going to show you a few more campaign options. So I'm creating a new campaign today. So awareness campaign we already explained. Today I'm going for a traffic one. So I want to bring traffic to my website. So what I'm going to do it. So traffic campaign. Traffic campaign means here send people to a destination such as your website, app, or event. It can be anything, you know. People can click on the link. Whatever the link you give, to go there, or else any landing page you give, or messenger or WhatsApp also, or calls also. These all options are available in the traffic. I'm clicking on this and continue. Campaign name, it will ask you. So the campaign name, I'm writing like Hyderabad campaign for website clicks. As we discussed yesterday, if your ad is comes under any special ad categories, you have to select it. Otherwise, just leave it. And these options also, you're not selecting anything. A/B testing, buying options, everything we're giving as a by default. So campaign is done. Now I'm going to the ad set. Ad set is the place where we select everything. Let it be the ad set name like this only. Now, whenever you want to go for a website visits campaign, either you can bring traffic to your website, app, Messenger, WhatsApp, or by seeing the ad, if clicks, you'll get a call. Calls is not a recommended option. If your business is education, nobody want to take a decision immediately. If anything like plumber, painter, electrician, this is kind of urgent works only. So at the time they might click and come back, but still in social media, it's not recommendable. You can go for any other option. Even WhatsApp is much better than the calls because nobody want to talk in the first instance itself. It depends on the nature of the business. Okay. I want to bring traffic to my website only. And two is this is, and based on my budget, estimated results also coming. Initially yesterday, it was showing me the reach actually, how many people it may reach. Now by default with 800 budget, okay, generally with my selection of India 18 to 65 and all, this much of audience size is there. But based on my price, I may reach 6,000 people to 19,000 people. And Facebook saying that among that, maximum 876 people may click on your website. So when I spend 800 rupees, so if you see an average, assume that 800 people have clicked in between, you spend 800 rupees. Cost per click is 1 rupee. So which cheaper, very cheaper actually. For every click, they click and come back to the website, Facebook is charging 1 rupee. As compared to Google, it's much cheaper actually. Okay, somewhere in the between. If I increase the price, the clicks will increase, that's it. More clicks, more budget, more clicks will come. Okay. Again, my intention is not to reach larger audience. My intention is to not get the so many clicks. My intention is to get the relevant clicks. So for this, what I'm doing is I'm filtering some options here. So I don't want to target throughout India. Let me target only Hyderabad. So I'm selecting Hyderabad. Here, so many options are there. I'll show you here. So countries, regions, I'll directly mention this. In Hyderabad, try to see the particular location, whether it is coming. See, even the particular location also coming. So Panjagutta flyover, Panjagutta main road, that place also coming here. Now, starting from, assume that your business is in Panjagutta, it's very less chance that a guy from Gachibowli will join my ad. Then what is the point of showing my ad entire Hyderabad? In such kind of small places, businesses, it's better we can select the locations like this. Then what I'll do, surrounding Panjagutta, 5 kilometers only I want to target. This is too much of narrowing, but it's good for us. Yeah. Now see, the results will come down, but relevant results will come. I don't want Gachibowli person will click after knowing that my office is in Panjagutta, he drops. So I'm telling you, these options are also available. You can select it. And one more option also there called a drop-in. Drop-in option also there. I want to go for a high-tech city option here. I clicked on drop-in. I'm selecting here. Now I'm also targeting this place. So click on drop-in and sure. So in such a way, you can select the drop-ins as well. What are the places you want? You can select. See, multiple locations are coming here. See, with whatever the Google Maps takes, those kind of places also it's taking. Okay. If you don't want anything, you can just delete it. So there is an option called drop-in as well. Remember. Now, I want to target entire Hyderabad only. So I'm going for Hyderabad, entire Hyderabad. Now again, how does Facebook knows Hyderabad? Like Sushmita stays in Hyderabad only. I assume that Salim is not staying in Hyderabad. Salim is staying somewhere else. But today, Salim came to Hyderabad. Guys, just be with me. Power has gone. I'll be. So we were discussing like Sushmita is in Hyderabad and Salim came from out of the place. And today he traveled to Hyderabad. So for him also ad will appear. But tomorrow he will leave Hyderabad. So I'm unnecessarily showing my ad to that guy. So if you don't want that, can you see here? Top, you have an option here. People living in recently in this location. If anyone come to this location also, ad will appear. If you don't want that, people living in this location. So people whose home is within the select area. This option also there. Now, who are the permanent residents here? It's been long in the Facebook page or Facebook account they mentioned. For them only ad will go. And there is an option like people traveling in this location. So they are not even in Hyderabad, but they're traveling. So this also there. Someone tell me in what situations this option you will select. Yeah. People traveling in this location. You want to show the ads to them. Then what kind of ads you will run for them?
Tourism.
Correct. Tourism ads are very good actually. Like you've been to Dubai. Then what Dubai people select is people traveling in this location and show all the ads. That's much better actually. But especially for this kind of education and all, this is the best option. People living in this location. Remember this. Location is done. Next, yes, age 18 to 65. Based on your business, you can select this number. Now, male and female, we know this. I'll come back to this detailed targeting. Before that, there is an option. Now, let me narrow down the audience in the type of interest. So here, instead of typing, just browse it. What all the options are there? Demographics, interest, behavior. Here, demographics is nothing but, like Pawan has mentioned on his Facebook that my name is Pawan, gender is male, okay, and my education is BTech, and I'm married, assume, or else I'm single. These options are there. Everything people only giving. So based on that information, we can target the people. What they have mentioned in the profile, we can target. Reach people based on education, employment, household, any lifestyle. Some data is unavailable. But this is, Facebook is retrieving based on what they have mentioned. Interest. Based on your activity. Like you are going to Facebook page, liking over there. You following some pages, you posting some stuff with some hashtags. So by seeing this, Facebook understand that okay, this guy like this kind of things. So they'll categorize you into okay, I'm more into tourism, travel, fashion, education, banking, based on your activity, interest. Finally, behavior. Sometimes by seeing the Facebook ad, you download some app, or else you purchase some products. So based on that as well, Facebook will target. These are the three different options. But when I click on that, there are so many submodules. So don't get confused. You have to spend a lot of time on this. But one thing you remember, based on your Facebook profile, you can target. Based on what kind of pages you following, what kind of content you're doing, interest, and how you purchasing. Based on your purchase behavior as well, Facebook will target. Let's see one by one. When you click on demographics, you can target the people by education. Can you please tell me how this will help you? If you have education information, how you can utilize you in your marketing? Yeah. You have a customer education information. How are you going to use it for a marketing? And what are the business ideas you have to target them? Salim.
Courses are jobs like.
Okay, assume for digital marketing course, whom you will target? What education?
Recent education, masters and degree.
Yeah, when you click on education again, you have an option of education level as well. Okay, at high school, obviously you'll be targeting the degrees, right? Master degree, professional degree, these people you will target. So this information is good for you. And next, uh, you have a immigration service, like you send people to US and UK. So those kind of people also, this information is important. And people are at high school, some schools like Narayana Chaitanya, they want to promote, they will show their ads to them. So in such a way, this all information is really helpful. Correct or not, guys? Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so this is about the education. So check all the options, what all the options are there. Even field of study, even undergrad years also there. Undergraduation years means when they have finished their graduation. Like I want to target the people, their graduation is between 2019 to 2022. So these people only I want to target. So that much of customization also available. So this is about it. Next. This is about the education. Next, financial. Facebook, I also have an option whether you want to target rich people, middle class, upper middle class, or poor people. How does Facebook know? Again, based on your activity, the things you mentioned. Even Google also have this activity. Facebook also have their activity based on your purchasing capacity. So top 10% means most rich people. This is the lower middle class people. Why this information is important? Someone tell me how you are going to use this data for marketing. Yeah. Anyone can answer.
Of course, like who is going to spend the money?
Can you give some example? Any brand?
Or suppose if it is a luxury product, luxurious brand, like perfumes or like Puma, bigger brands, they're gonna target people who are slightly into upper middle class or rich people. And people comes from like 5%, like I mean lower. I'm sorry. Uh, for
Correct.
them, they might have they would be for them there will be products which are good for them.
Yeah, it's here. Correct, correct. So like you want to promote Mercedes Benz. Now, what is the point of showing your ad to these people? So obviously, upper middle class, high class, if you see, there is a possibility they'll buy it actually. So that's correct. Next, this is about education and income. Next, life events. So these options also there. Away from family, away from hometown. Because whenever you move to some other place, you have an option also mentioning that I'm away from family, away from hometown. Any idea when you're gonna use these ads? Okay, think about it. Date of birth. People who have their upcoming birthday, you might have seen this. Facebook, they'll show you next week whose birthday is there. So you can go and wish them actually. Please can utilize this. Any idea?
Your fashion and cosmetics brands, they really give you discounts and everything.
Yes, any e-commerce website or gifting companies also can target. These are cakes. These.
Decoration companies also.
What?
Decoration companies.
Yeah, decorations.
Yeah,
Bridal ceremony like that.
correct, correct. Now let's see here. Friends of men with a birthday in 0 to 7 days. Friends of people who recently moved. Friends of people with birthdays in a month. This means in a month. Okay. So with 7 to 30 days. These all options are there. The crazy options are there. People who got a new job. People who are into new relationship. Who have updated their profile with a new relationship in the last 6 months. Newly engaged. Guys, and that they engaged. What kind of ads you will show them?
Rings, gifts, of course.
Okay.
mobiles and everything.
Okay. Any other idea apart from that? Newly
Of course,
engaged
they're
3
gonna
months.
purchase furniture if they're going to start their
Traveling
new.
tickets, discounts of
But
travel and that.
you're not understanding actually. So they're not married, they're just engaged.
Okay.
So what I'll do is I'll target wedding photographer, event planner. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Because they just engaged, they're gonna marry next actually. So wedding photographer, event management, and you says the sofas, all these things, they're planning the new house as well. So you can all target these things. Yeah. Now here married is there. Newly married 1 year. What are you going to target? The newly married 1 year. So if it is just 3 months, you can go for all honeymoon trips and all these kind of things. So 1 year, there is an example in the US. There is a lawyer. So he selected this option and he's targeting, looking for divorce. I'll be helping you. 1 to 2 years people. So based on the location, you can target. That is also true for his, because in US, the kind of breakups will be more after marriage as compared to the India. Maybe for his case, this is good actually. He's not asking the people to take a divorce. He's running an ad, but his targeting is people who are married 1 to 3 years. So those kind of options also there. So I wanted to browse all these options. What all the options are available. See, still we are in a demographics only. So in the life events, all these options are there. Again, parents. New parents means they married, they got baby, and their kids are around 0 to 12 months. So what kind of ads you will run here?
Baby care products like
Correct. Obviously, baby care products, diapers, Johnson and Johnson, powders, these kind of things. Again, people with preschoolers like 3 to 5 years, what will you target here?
Preschools.
Yeah, kindergarten, preschools, target them. And see, parents with adult children 18 to 26, college information. Like 18 means they might be going for a graduation. So what kind of colleges you want to target? Instead of targeting that guy, you're targeting their parents. So every information is there. So I want you to browse all this information today so that whenever you got a real client, you'll come to know, okay, I can use this option. There are too many options are there. So now I'm done with the life events, parent, again in a relationship status. So in India, we have single and married. But if you see throughout the world, these all the relationship there, civil partnership, complicated, divorce, domestic partnership, married, open, separated, single. We don't know all these things. If you have to Google it actually. Again, if you are a single, maybe Tinder ads you can run, dating apps, okay, or else matrimonial ads you can run. They're already married, maybe different kind of service. Engaged, we already discussed. Diverse, even these days, matrimony for the diverse people also there. You can target them. So based on the relationship status also, you can run the ads here. Finally, work. Work means employers, people who are working for certain companies, you can target actually. So not all the companies they didn't mention, but you can try some. See, HCL, it's coming. TCS, it's not coming. Cognizant. Yeah, Cognizant. So people who are working for a Cognizant, if you want, you can run the ads. Few companies, employers, it's coming. Few employees are not coming. Then industries you can select. Industries means people which roles in administrative. Example include secretary, administrative assistant, office manager. Right hand side you can see here, or architecture engineering, with roles in these kind of departments. People who are in mathematics, people who are in construction department, people who are in educational industries. In such a way, IT, legal services, production. So these are about the industries they have. Next, job titles also there. Like assume that I want to target more customer support executives. They want to take digital marketing course. Then I can type customer support. See here, customer support executive. So my ad will go to the all call center people and I'll be asking them to take digital marketing course. That's it. This is about the demographics. So many options are there. Next, interest based. Interest based means people shown interest in advertising. See here, people who have expressed an interest in our like pages related to the advertising, agriculture, banking, design, healthcare, online, small business, science, entertainment, family, food and drink, alcohol drink, beer, cooking, restaurants, coffee shops, coffee houses. So these many options are there. This is about based on what activity you've done. Finally, behavior. Now again, behavior, let's show you something here. Is here, I mentioned use a mobile device 1 to 3 months. People who are likely to have used a mobile device for 1 to 3 months. Let's see all the options here. Anniversary. If you select people with an anniversary in 61 to 90 days. Again, this was option here and here also there. Here, purchase behavior. Purchase with offer. If I select people who are more likely to convert if there is an offer. With an offer. So in such way, these are all options are available. Let's see the last one, travel, commuters. People who likely to commute from their home to their workplace on weekends. Frequent travelers. It means they travel a lot. People whose activities on Facebook suggest that they are frequent travelers based on your activity. So finally, this behavior is more about what you do based on that they're mentioning. So these are the 3 different options. Whatever you want, you can do it. Either you can select by one. So I will try to pull out one information here. So here is the link. Type Facebook ads targeting options. So there is a company called WordStream. With one image, they showed everything. So try to read this article. See here, this is the complete image is there. They clearly mention what kind of targetings they have. The image is not clear. Like, do this. So by digital activities, roles, mobile device user, by travel. So many options are there. I'll share this link with you. Just go through that so it will help you. So everyone, yeah, I mentioned that. Just go through this. Right. With the audience targeting is done, but I'm going to tell you, you don't have a time to see that much. You can do one thing. Now today, assume that I want to target all marketing students. All MBA and BBA students you want to target. So you have an option here. So instead of going to the browse and select all the options, you have a search bar. Here also you can try. Like I want to target all BBA students. So mention BBA. So BBA field of study. Okay, I'm selecting this. Now I want to target the people who have done their BBAs. Now then click on suggestions. Now MBA is coming. MBA marketing is coming. Marketing management is coming. So Bachelor of Commerce. In such a way, all the marketing students only I'm targeting. So here I targeted Hyderabad 40 kilometers, 21 to 36 years people, and who have done either BBA or MBA. For them, I want to promote my digital marketing course. So this is the another option over here. Okay, guys, understood the audience option here? I want you to browse all the information so that you'll get a clear understanding. Okay. Next, we spent a lot of time on this, right? So instead of creating every time, you can save this audience and you can name it like Hyderabad 21 to 36 and marketing students. I'm saving this audience for the future campaigns. Next time when you create a campaign, this all data will be under saved audience. Okay. Now see location Hyderabad 21 to 36 and this all information. Just save this feature. We can use it for this marketing. Right. Now I'm targeting website traffic. My budget is 1,000 rupees and the saved audience I mentioned. Placement again, I said always manual placement is good than the automatic placement. I don't want audience network and messenger. I want Facebook and Instagram only. That too mostly at the feed. Okay, marketplace is waste, video feed is right column again. The small companies I don't recommend this. And mine is not e-commerce website, so I don't want shop here. Stories go very faster, so people have the video is there, it's good. Again, it depends on requirements. So I'm leaving this because I'm going for an image ad. Paste. In article is always you have to remove it. Okay. Mostly I'm targeting on the Facebook feed only and Instagram Explorer. Someone searching and showing my ad. Okay. Then options also done. Let's scroll down. Let's see if we have any options here. Few more options are there like specific mobile device and operating system. By default, your ad will go to all the devices. Okay. And if you want, you can select edit. Only Android, only iOS. In Hyderabad, some international schools, they show their ads only to iOS people. It means they feel like only the people who are using iOS means they are rich. Only they can afford our school. And assume that you want to target Android. If it is Android phone again, you can select by default ad will go to all the mobile phones. You can select what kind of see here, Samsung or else, what else? Oh. So particular device also you can mention. That much of options are there. The OS version is there. If you don't specify anything, by default your ad will go to. And if you want, you can exclude the device also. I don't want to show my ad on a particular device also. You can mention. So all the mobile means everywhere. Now again, only when connected to Wi-Fi. So this option, leave it. Everybody it will appear. Some special cases, maybe assume that you are selling like Oppo new version, you want to run the ads. Obviously, the previous users might be updating. So that time, show to them. Or else you want to send some sell some accessories of the Oppo. Then only Oppo people can buy, right? At that time, you try to utilize this option. Think about it in your marketing. When it is required, then you can utilize the option. Otherwise, just leave it. Right. And finally, I came back to the ad section. Next to that, your Facebook page is linked to the Instagram account. As of now, I didn't link. And creative source. You can upload your image. You can go for either single image or carousel, 2 or more scrollable images and videos, or collection. So I'm going with a single image option here. Then I'm uploading a media. Yesterday we had some images, right? So I'm selecting them. Ad is done. Then what is your primary text? Headline and description. Primary text. Right. So this is the primary text. And we haven't give a website because this is a website links, right? You have to give your website details. And whenever you give website details, by default, website title and description will take it. And if you want, you can customize your website title and description here, headline and description. So I'm writing 100% job guarantee and few seats left. So here I'm trying to create urgency so that people will take, and call to action button. I'm gonna go for contact us. Different businesses can use different call to action buttons. Now ad is perfect. Let's say this tracking and this event tracking, that will be learning later. So we are sending the people to the website. Few more options are there that will be learning in a later. So today we focused more on the filtering the audience. They're in interest based. So many options, because if you don't use those options, your ad will go to 21 to 36 people, but not the relevant one. That's why spend more time on those targeting options so that your ad will go to the relevant customers. Yeah, everything is fine. Then I click on the publish. And before that, if you want, you can see the, so here, while you're seeing this, click on share a link. Link share is on for 30 days. Here you'll be getting a link. You shared the complete URL. I wanted to share this. Then anybody can see the ad. That it is. Okay, so everything is fine. Then click on publish. So this campaign is published now. It will go for review. And once it is approved, your ad will be live. So you can go from your Facebook as well. Directly Facebook, they've given an option called Ads Manager. But they keep on changing the options anyway. Yeah, so the first one is active, still it is in review. And once the review process is done, it will be active. And it keep on showing the numbers as well. We'll see soon actually, we're gonna work the live campaign, then we'll observe the numbers as well. So because you have Saturday and Sunday, I want you to explore, okay, your task for these 2 days is, I want you to create a traffic campaign, one. Next, engagement campaign as well. Engagement means you want to get more followers, you can try this one. More money, more followers. Facebook try to reach larger audience so that you'll be getting more followers as well. So I want you to try these two campaigns. And in your email, you have to mention not only this preview. By seeing this, I can't judge anything, I can see only your creative, your preview, primary text only. But I want to see what is your targeting. You have to clearly mention me the audience. I selected the age between 21 to 36 and what interests I've targeted. Like I targeted people whose birthday is next 1 month in such a way. And why you have used it, you can mention. Okay. So here I'm telling you, you working for one bakery where they sell cupcakes. Okay. So for them, you're running ads. Facebook ads for cupcakes business. So I want you to create a creative regarding that, and what is your targeting also, I want to know. Next, one matrimony website. For them also you have to mention me. For the website, you can go and take any website. You will find so many cupcake business website and matrimony website. Take their URL and create an ad. So I will see your creative, your primary text, and what is your targeting as well. So I wanted to create 2 campaigns. So in this, you can choose website visits and page followers. Any of the one, you can use website visit, one you can use the page followers as well. Okay, right. Any questions so far, guys? Everything is fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Then I'll check on Monday what are things. Then we'll go for remaining things. What is the lead caption one? How to do that? App promotion. We'll move forward. Once we done everything, once you got a clear idea, then I'll show the advanced options. Then we'll go for a live campaign. Okay, I'll divide you people into 2 groups and we'll create a live campaign. I'll give you budget. You'll be working on the live project. Okay.